Hello, good evening from my time here in Nigeria. My name is Pharmacist Jacob Daudagwari. I'm a trained pharmacist and a forex trader. Today, I want us to learn how to calculate risk management on GBP risk management on Great Britain pound versus United States dollar. Risk management is as important as a good strategy and the right psychology you need to succeed in this industry. In fact, without knowing how to manage your risks or calculate your risks, I will confidently say that you are like a gambler in the market because you may not know the right lot size to place on any trade. You may just carry your Lamborghini lot size and place it. And if the market is retracing, a little retracement before it goes into your favor, it will blow your account. So knowing how to calculate your risk management is very, very, very important. In fact, this is what will keep you long in the market. This is what is going to keep you long in the market. So as a trader, you should be able to know how much you are risking before you even place any trade. You must know, you should be able to know how much you are risking before you place any trade. And how do we calculate our risk management? We calculate our risk management using baby pips position size calculator, baby pips position size calculator. So after our top-down analysis, we have concluded that the market is going to go down. Then we pick our short position, short position instrument, and place it where the market is at right now. Then we target downward. Then we risk something like this. We place our risk where the market is slightly above where the market has been to before. Then if we are risking $19.2, we should be able to target times two of what we are risking. We should be able to target times two of what we are risking. So our risk to reward is very important. If in fact one of the determinant factor why we should take a trade or why we should not take a trade is the risk to reward. If we want to survive long time, if we are risking one, we should be able to gain two. So if our risk to reward is not up to 1:2, then I don't think the trade is worth taking. So before we make any move to place a trade, we must be able to look at the risk to reward. If it's going to give us 1:2, then we go ahead. Or if it's not going to give us 1:2, I think it's better we sit on our arms and wait for another opportunity. So calculating risks will help us know the right lot size to use on any account balance. And this will be able to help us stay long in the market. If you don't know how to calculate your risks, you wouldn't know the right lot size to place on a trade. And if you don't know the right lot size, you may just place any lot size that comes to your mind based on emotion or based on ignorance. And ignorance is not an excuse in this market. If you're ignorant, it will show on your account balance. You blow your account balance. The market does not care about you. It doesn't care about your ignorance. And that's why it is important for one to get knowledge before placing a trade. And one of the knowledge that is very important that you need it, is knowing how to calculate your risks. But that's what is going to give you the right lot size. That's what is going to help you stay a long time in the market. So knowing how to calculate your risks is as important, like I said, as having the right strategy and having the right psychology that you need to be able to succeed in this industry. If you have the right strategy, the right psychology, and you don't have the right risk management, you will not stay long in the market. You blow your account. So risk management is very, very, very important. All right. So after you have done your top-down analysis and you know where you are going to place your trade, you have placed your short position. Then you go to Chrome and type on baby pip position size calculator, baby pips position size calculator. So this is what we are going to use in calculating our risks. Maybe pips position size calculator. Maybe pips position size calculator. Then it will open to this. Then you click your position size calculator. Then it will take us to the next page. It will take us to the next page. So this is the page. Aha, it will take us to this page. Then we need to fill all these empty spaces. But first, we have to start with the account currency. For me, my account currency is US dollar. But for some of us, maybe our account currency might be euro, Japanese yen, Great Britain pounds, or CHF. So depending on your account currency, you choose the right or the appropriate account currency. But for me, like I said, my account currency is US dollar. Then I would go ahead and click US dollar. Then the account balance. Uh, let's imagine our account balance is uh, let's imagine it's $200, $200, and then let's how much are we risking out of this $200 that if we lose, it will not really pain us, it will not really affect us, either psychologically or otherwise. So let's imagine we are going to risk 5% of the $200. 5% of the $200. 5% of the $200. 5% of the $200. And according to our calculation here, our stop, we are risking 19.2 pips. We are risking 19.2 pips. Then we put our 19.2 here. Then the currency pair, currency pair, the currency pair here, we are trading GBP USD. We are trading GBP USD. Then we place calculate. Now, if we are risking 5% of $200, if the market goes against us, we'll be losing $10. But if the market goes in our favor, we'll be making $20. It's as simple as that. And then the lot size we are going to use to achieve this, we are going to use the standard lot size, which is 0.05. We are going to use the standard lot size, 0.05. So that's how to go about calculating risks on GBP USD. Then we go ahead and place our short or our sell, and then walk away from the market and wait how the market is going to play out. Mind you, we have already placed our stop loss from our MT4, MT5, and place our take profit on our MT4 and MT5. If we know how to do this one, we will not be trading with too much emotion because we already know how much we are risking if the market goes in our favor and we are comfortable with it. So please, if today is your first time coming across my video, kindly subscribe so that whenever I release educative video like this, YouTube can recommend it to you and other people that might be in need of this. Please kindly subscribe and like it and share it to your friends. Thank you so very much. God bless you. Till I see you other times. Bye.